Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge getting listed on Coinbase. Now, we did a video before, we talked about Binance. Now, also Coinbase added Shibadoge on their watch list, which is a good one. It simply means they are watching this coin and they might decide to list Shibadoge coin. Now, Shibadoge have really showed great improvement since the beginning of 2023, which is good. Now, I believe Coinbase coming in to list Shibadoge will definitely help Shibadoge to grow more. Shibadoge is going to gain more holders, more transfers, more money will pump into Shibadoge. Already, we have over $29 million being pumped into Shibadoge already, which is a good one for Shibadoge. Shibadoge started the year 2023 with an impressive rise in price, especially on the market cap. Now, I believe Coinbase, of course, before you talk about crypto exchange, you must talk about Coinbase between the first, second, or third. When you talk about Binance, I think the second for me is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase listening Shibadoge is going to bring more rise for Shibadoge, more popularity for Shibadoge. Of course, Coinbase is one of the top crypto exchanges. Although the truth is, it's not easy for Coinbase to list a particular coin, and Coinbase is one of the exchange that they have a lot of things down that they need, and they need a particular coin or company to meet up. If you don't meet up, Coinbase will not even listen to anything. So, okay, take a look at Terra Classic after the crash. Coinbase automatically removed Terra Classic from their platform because Terra Classic crashed down, and yet Binance continues to push that coin, and today Terra Classic has started beginning back. So, I believe it will be easier for Shibadoge to get listed on Binance than even Coinbase, but I still know Coinbase can still list Shibadoge coin, which is what Shibadoge developers are really working towards majorly. Between Coinbase and Binance, they want to get one of these this year. One of these to list Shibadoge. That is the major target. Now, remember, not that Shibadoge will not get listed by other crypto exchanges. Those ones, of course, they are working towards getting other exchanges to list Shibadoge. Now, Bitmain have already listed Shibadoge, and other exchanges are also coming in. But we are talking about the two major biggest crypto exchange for me, which is Binance and Coinbase. They are working towards getting at least one of these to list Shibadoge coin before the end of this year. And if that is possible, Shibadoge is going to create a lot of millionaires before the end of this year. Shibadoge is going to pump. I believe Shibadoge is going to massively rise, just like Shiba Inu did in 2020 and 2021. Well, let's hope this come to pass. Let's hope we get about between 7 to 12 crypto exchange listing Shibadoge before the end of 2023. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.